How to create a Google account? First open a browser, then type create a Google account or create account. Then you will get some links, so click on first link, create your Google account. Okay, so it will open a page. Now you have to fill up the form, your details like your first name, last name, password, confirm password, etc. So I am giving a name that is Bangla Help. Now click on next button. Now it will ask for a phone number. So you give here your phone number. I am giving my phone number here, and you have to give your date of birth, month, date and year. And gender. Then click next. Next another will, and this will asking for verify your phone number. So just click on send, then verification code will come to your phone number as OTP. So just check and input the number. Okay, now click on verify. So it is verified. Now we have to click on agree button. I agree. So just click on more option, and below you will get a checkbox. Just click on this, whether here you don't have to read this thing, just click the checkbox and I agree. So account has been created successfully. You can see that welcome Bangla Help. The account already created. So here you can see a lot of options. You can change now or you can change later. You can see the top right corner, there are a lot of apps of Google, YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive is another important. So I am clicking Gmail. I want to check the mail. Okay, so it is redirecting to my email box. Loading Gmail. Gmail is for Google Mail or Google account. So this is the option. You can choose it as default and OK. So when you will create an account, first welcome message will appear. So in the left side you can see here inbox, and right side you can see three tab: primary, social tab and promotion. And in left side inbox start, where you can see the mails which is done as start, and this is the sent. So if you send any mail to anywhere by clicking compose, then you will see here as send. So if you send any mail to anyone, so here you have to write their email address. Okay, to CC means a carbon copy, and BCC means blind carbon copy. And also you have to give a subject of the email and the body of the email, and then click on send button below. So right now I am not sending any mail. And draft folder is also here. Actually here draft item will be shown. So email account is ready. Here you can change your personal information if you want. You can change your profile picture of the Google account. So for that you have to click on this, and you have to choose a profile picture from your computer. And uploading. So I am not doing right now, so I am closing this. That's all. Thanks for watching. This is the very simple way that you can create your Google Mail or Gmail account. Okay. Thanks for watching. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Also don't forget to